walang maayos na runway for take off and landing ang spot na to. So kaya sa grass ulit ako mag hand draw, and sa grass ako maglaland, soft landing, because nga busy tong lugar na to. This is the highway. Yun. Yan. Let's find out. So this is the high gear and low rate and high rate. This is the 3D and 6G button, but 6G lang tayo mostly. And hand throw. Okay, hand throw lang guys. So 6G, as you can see, nag-self stabilize siya. So 6G lang, tingnan natin yung performance ni Kutai J3A505. Let's find out. Maiden flight. Oh, nice. Ayan, oh. Oh, very nice. Stable. Uy, nice. Oh, nice. Very good. Stable. 500 milliamperes. Very stable guys sa 6G stabilize mode. Walang problema. By the way, 3 channel lang to. Elevator and rudder, and of course yung throttle. Very stable. Walang problema, oh. High rate, half throttle, 50% throttle. Nice. Agile. Mabilis yung ano niya. Very stable. Very nice flyer. Nice. Very stable. Slow flyer. Very good for those pilot who are just starting up to fly. Very good trainer. Ang maganda nito, pwede ko itong ipang display sa cabinet. Ganda, oh. Very nice. Very nice flyer. (6G) pwede na, ganda libangan. Wow. Nice. Hindi na kailangan i-trim, talagang it's all set at the factory. Nakaset na siya, and lahat na yung elevator and the rudder, it's all already set at the factory. Nice, stable and very responsive. Full throttle, full speed, Kahit naka full speed ka, ano pa rin, mabagal pa rin. Full speed. Full throttle, oh, pero talagang slow flyer siya. Talagang designed for the beginners, but very nice. Gandang panimula. And of course i-add ko lang kung why this is my choice of RC plane, because this is very light, small and very light. Kasyang kasya lang sa, just fit in my sidecar, in my tricycle, and very light. Pag nag crash ka, pag mayroong incident of crash, is you cannot easily damage the aircraft because it's very lightweight, very light, and the motor is not that powerful, brush motor, kaya hindi siya, you cannot easily damage the aircraft during crash. So medyo magandang ano to, magandang panimula, and of course it can last long, because nga you can't just crush it because of the very light materials, very lightweight and small. Of course light pag small, kaya you cannot easily damage the aircraft during crash. So napaka responsive niya naman. Kala ko hindi siya ganun ka responsive, because before I test flight this, yung